Cut the neck off the balloon and stretch it over the top of the jar. Wrap a rubber band around the balloon. Cut small slits on one end of each straw and slide it into each other. Glue the straw to the center of the balloon. Cut an arrow from the cardboard and place it on the end of the straw. Check the current barometer reading once you have sealed your jar. Tape the chart to the wall and mark the current pressure. Mark the arrow position with dates over a few days and notice the weather. This is the time lapse of the barometer over 24 hours. A barometer is an instrument that measures air pressure. When you seal off the jar, the air pressure will stay the same inside. Sunny and clear weather raises the air pressure, so the outside air presses on the balloon cover, making the balloon cave in and the air to rise. As a storm approaches, the mass of air around you decreases, causing the air pressure to drop and the pressure inside the jug to be higher. This causes the balloon to bulge, causing the air to go down.